everybody. So I thought I was going to go Facebook Live. Haven't done Facebook Live in so long. I'm a little nervous about that. Plus, I'd rather just have a video that I can turn into a how-to. So today I am going to make, for the very first time, pancakes out of the new banana pancake protein powder. That is absolutely to die for. I'm going to follow my pancake recipe that I have right here. On my iPad. I really don't necessarily need the iPad because I make them so frequently, but it makes good practice to have the recipe out for those of you that are new to making these protein pancakes. So I am going to start with 4 level scoops of the banana pancake protein. So here's number 1. And while I'm at it, I am going to go ahead and turn my skillet on to about maybe 325, between 300 and 350. Okay, so I have all my protein powder. The next thing I'm going to add is, I'm adding a 1/2 cup total of the gluten-free pancake mix made by Bob's Red Mill. I'm also going to add a little bit of fiber boost, just a scoop, maybe. Now this recipe is going to make enough for 3 days worth of pancakes, enough for 3 servings. I also like to use the multivitamin powder in mine. This is an add-on. It's not one that comes in the nutrition set, but it's certainly something you can add on, and 1 scoop is your daily recommended allowance or recommendations of the different vitamins. So I'm going to go ahead and put 3 because my recipe makes enough for 3 days. So I like to mix the dry ingredients and get them all mixed pretty evenly. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add 2 eggs. Take my unrefined coconut oil. And because my skillet is getting hot, I actually use a metal quarter scooper. And because it's metal, I'm just gonna put this right over on my skillet, and it's gonna start to melt because I like to put about 1/8 of a cup in my pancake recipe. So while that is melting, I'm gonna shake up my unsweetened almond milk. Now the recipe calls for about a cup, but honestly, I just don't measure. I just pour and I stir until I get the consistency that I want. See, it's coming together. Now, I do like to add a teaspoon of pure vanilla. Don't buy the fake stuff, get the pure stuff. I'm not gonna measure it, just gonna put a little smidgen in there. Mix it up. Look at it. It is already started to melt. Here we go, into my batter. Watch this. There you go, that's about half of it. I'll put this back. Now I'll just use that to actually cook my pancakes. Didn't really measure these. I just washed a bunch of blueberries. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get my coconut oil going on my skillet because I am just about ready. But I do top these hot off the griddle with my very favorite dairy-free chocolate chips. These are wonderful. This is the dark chocolate. I also have the semi-sweet. It's only 3 ingredients: cocoa butter, and raw sugar. So these are fantastic. I will not put those in it, but I will put them on it. Here we go. You can hopefully hear that sizzle. Now, when I finish these, I said I would top with chocolate. I will also put fresh strawberries on top. I love fresh strawberries on top of my pancakes. Then I will take 1 spoon of raw honey, no pancake syrup. I use raw honey and I will drizzle that. And lastly, if you have not tried the non-dairy Ready Whip made with coconut milk, you have got to try it. It is fantastic. All right, these pancakes are ready and smell fantastic. I cannot wait to try these. Okay, so I'm now going to add my finishing touches. The chocolate chips have melted, and I'm going to put my strawberries on top. Last step, I take 1 spoon of the raw honey and drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Oh my gosh, these are going to be so delicious. Now, after you drizzle all that honey off of that spoon, don't miss this step. You gotta lick the spoon. And then lastly, my non-dairy Ready Whip. I just put a couple little squirts. Usually I put 1 for each. I did an extra one. Bon appetit. I will let you know how it goes. I know they're going to be fabulous.